Now children, today let's start with chapter number 4, that is reproduction in animals. So let's study about the reproduction. All living things reproduce and all living things are born from their parents. They gradually grow big, become old and finally die. All living beings have a special ability to produce more of their own kind. This unique feature is called reproduction. Babies are not exact copy of their parents, but they do have many similar features. So some animals directly give birth to their young ones. So most of the babies grow inside their mother until they are born. A baby dog puppy looks like its mother. When we have dog, cat, cows, sheep, goats and women, being are called mammals, they carry their babies with their body till they are fully developed. And they produce milk to feed their baby. There are some mammals like spiny anteaters and duck-billed Lactors, they lay egg. ये क्या करते हैं? Egg lay करते हैं. Animals which lay egg, we have different animals like fish, frog, reptiles, birds, insects. They reproduce by laying egg. The baby comes out from the egg. A baby chick would come out from the hen's egg. A baby duck would come out from the duck's egg. Animals that come out from the egg start their life outside their body of their mate. They come out when the egg is hatched. जो silk moth होता है वो कितने egg lay करता है? 300 to 500 egg. Housefly 75 to 150 है. If we talk about fish, a fish lays egg at the safe place in water and the egg of the fish are called square and fish hatches the eggs when it's grown into fry. The fry grows to be an adult fish. Fish lays thousands of eggs. Out of only these, hundreds grow. Right? So mammal that looks like fish feeds its young one with milk, that is dolphin. Frog. A frog lays its egg in water. The young one of the frog that comes out of egg is called tadpole. It has tail. The hind legs of the tadpole appears first and the front legs जो होते हैं वो appear करते हैं. Slowly the tail disappear and it's become an adult. धीरे धीरे उसके tail disappear होती है और वो adult बन जाता है. Reptiles में lizard, crocodile, snakes, turtles and tortoises are reptiles. ये भी egg lay करते हैं कि एक अपने egg को एक thin shell से क्या करते हैं covered करते हैं. The eggs are not incubated by the parents, rather they get their warmth from the sun. कहाँ से मिलती है? Sun से मिलती है warmth. Birds, all birds like crow, sparrow, hen, eagle, produce by laying egg. The female birds lay egg in nest and they sit on the egg to keep them warm. और वो egg पे बैठते हैं egg को warm करने के लिए. The biggest egg in the world is ostrich egg. इसका weight क्या होता है? 1.4 kg. A bird's egg has a hard outer shell. Inside the shell there is a sticky liquid जिसे हम एल्बम कहते हैं. Inside there is a yellow liquid called yolk. Inside the yolk is growing chick जिसे हम embryo कहते हैं. And the embryo develops into chick only when the egg is kept warm. So after a few weeks, when the baby birds are fully developed, they break open the shell and come out. Now insects. All insects lay egg. Many of them go through many stages before changing. Insects like grasshopper, cockroaches have 3 stages in their lifetime. When the egg hatch, the young insect comes out. It's called nymph. As it grows, it sheds its old skin. This shedding is known as molting. After molting several times, a nymph, what it become? It becomes adult. So tiny caterpillar has 4,000 muscles, 6 times as human being. जितनी हमारे अंदर होती है हमारे muscles के 6 times होती है. Next is parental care. Many animals take care of their babies even after they are born. Highest degree of parental जो केयर है वो आपको मैमल्स में दिखाई देगी. मैमल्स व्हाट दे प्रोवाइड लव एंड प्रोटेक्शन टू देयर यंगर. राइट? सो द बेबी बर्ड्स दैट हैच आउट द एग्स आर नॉट केबल ऑफ फ्लाइंग. सो मदर और द फादर वर्ड क्या करते हैं? फीड करते हैं और उनको टीच करते हैं आप कैसे फ्लाई करते हैं. सो होम्स आर प्रिपेयर्ड टू कीप द बेबी सेफ फ्रॉम हीट, कोल्ड, रेन एंड एनिमीज. ह्यूमन बींग्स गिव द ग्रेटेस्ट लव एंड केयर टू देयर यंगर. एंड young one, what they do? They receive food, shelter and protection from parent. In human being, child receive love and care for his or her family. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.